Okay, we're in Kaku's Shinseikai area. Lots of Kushikatsu places here, and weird people and tourists, and it's very touristy. Too touristy. Oh, I like your outfit, buddy. And what used to be the red light district area and the dangerous area, homeless area, has now become a hot spot for tourism. And even the locals come here. Very strange how things have developed over 20 years, 30 years. Kaiten Sushi, Kura. We think Kura was the worst out of the three major chains. I don't like Kura. What?
Wait, why was it more expensive than the other place?
What, 135?
Why?
Who cares? No, plus tax. But it was crap. Kura is the worst out of the Sushiro is a bit better, and then there's another one which was the best, which was 143 a dish. Definitely. And we found that in Osaka a lot. Kushikatsu. All you can eat. Look at that tie. A bit too touristy for me here. Pretty noisy here. They're gonna eat these turtles.
Ew, why are they so ugly?
These are weird turtles, like a snapping one. Osaka at its best here. A little bit more natural than Dotonbori. Dotonbori has a lot more foreign tourists. Okay, here we are at the real Kushikatsu alley. These people stand-up bars. Look at these bars like this. This is the old style Japanese. This guy's making food. And then here, real small places. People just stand and eat, very Osaka style. And we were gonna go eat here. Dozo. Everything's about 50 yen. Kushikatsu. Everything's about Kushikatsu. But we're so Kushikatsu'd out. Oh, this one's more popular on the left. That's a real one. But after eating all you can eat the other day in Kobe, I think we're Kushikatsu'd out. Look at this one, has a big lineup. Here we got people playing games. Trying to hit and win some prizes. Whoa, these ones are busy as hell. What the hell? They're bigger than Con. Look at this guy, man. His glasses go up, and it is dirt cheap here. Look at his prices. 150 yen, 3 pieces. They look good, everything. here's the old school baccarat. They're playing baccarat. This is the working class area, and so traditional here.